Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
How you doing? Tony with RVFix. Today we're going to do a summarize on your J-Flight 260 BHW. All right, so let's go around on the other side of the trailer so we can get started. All right, we're over here on the road side, or the off camping side, and we're going to be looking for this hatch right here. This is your freshwater fill tank. We're going to remove that. We're going to go ahead and stick a hose in here, and we're going to want to fill this up. But first, before we do that, if we look down here, this is the drain for your freshwater tank. So when you turn it to the right, it's open. To the left, it's closed. We want to make sure that's closed. Go ahead and turn the water on, fill it up. I like to, if I'm just summarizing, I like to put about a third of a tank in there so I can use it to flush the lines out. If you're going to get ready to go camping, go ahead and fill it up, and we'll work from there. So once we get water in our tank, we're going to go on inside and turn the pump on and start flushing everything out. Okay, here we are right inside the door. We have this panel here. There's your monitor panel. As you can see, we've got about 2/3 of a tank of fresh water in there. We're going to go ahead and turn that pump on. I hear the pump just running, so it's not sucking water. So what we want to do is check the water pump. It sounds like it's probably still in bypass from being winterized. So your water pump in this model is right underneath the sink here. So let me kind of step off to the side. Now it has removable panels so you can get to it, but I think we can get to this water pump just fine without removing the panels. Let me show a light in there. So back there we've got that white valve and that clear vinyl hose, and the handle's pointing at the clear vinyl hose. So we want to put it in line with the pump there. There you go. Now it'll go ahead and suck that water out of that fresh water tank. Okay. Go ahead and turn that pump back on. There we go. It sounds better. It's going to be pumping water now. So I go to each fixture and I just run one temperature at a time on the faucet until it runs clear. The first one always takes a little bit. There we go. And then go to the other side. Very nice. All right, we'll go to the bathroom. Good. Until it runs clear. The toilet. And our shower. Both temperatures. All right, and outside we'll flush out our outside shower and our low point drains. Okay, so we have our outside shower here. All right, run that till it gets nice and clear. Go till it's nice and clear. Our low point drains are right in the middle of the back here. Got those two lines right there. So, I'm not going to really be able to get a bucket under those, so we'll just go ahead and let those go. They're going to be pretty clear. There they go. That's clear. The next thing we're going to want to do, since we're going to be wanting to use the system, is come over here, open up the water heater, and you're going to want to turn it on, okay? Because it's been turned off for the winter, so we'll go ahead and turn that on. Not a bad idea to pull that temperature relief valve there, okay? And then we'll run inside here, and we're just going to check that water heater is going to work. Okay, so we can turn that on. It comes on, so we know that we've got the power onto it. And then we'll go ahead and open up a hot water faucet. We'll have the water icon, the fan, and the flame. And then we're going to watch for that temperature to start climbing. 102 degrees coming out, 109. And there's the warm water. All right, we are ready to go camping. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.